too much sugar. But you know, coffee is really good for her stomach as well. I just got me a Walmart delivery. Milk, all this stuff. Do y'all put y'all milk out in the drain? Before y'all pour it away.
Surfer.
Buy fruit for your kids. Buy some fruit. Okay? Buy some fruit. Y'all keep out. Oh, trash y'all throw away. I keep a few of them, but I don't keep a whole bunch. You know what I'm saying? I keep a few. I don't keep a whole bunch. Because somebody's telling me they collect roaches. And anybody's trying to have no roaches. Because guess what? Your girl don't have no roaches in here. And I'm not trying to get no roaches in here. Okay? So that be known. Alright, this is my refrigerator. I need to wipe it out just a little bit. You know, all that weird shit right there. I'm not trying to have no that nasty. This is the inside of the fridge. I'm trying to have a nasty fridge. Period, point blank. Absolutely not. Nasty. We don't do that. We keep things clean and fresh over here. Not nasty, trashy, dirty. Okay? Got some lettuce for these kids, because like I said, people need to be eating nice, fresh. I mean, when they're done, like mom's like, when they're done, do y'all save y'all containers? Because I do too. Because I always save my containers. But I like to keep my refrigerator organized. I don't know about none of this. I like to keep the fruits with the fruits and the vegetables with the vegetables, and then like cheese with cheese, you know what I'm saying? Sausages with sausages. My son, he loves those sausages. Cheese with cheese, like I said. Yeah, and I like to put the drinks down at the bottom. I need to get rid of that. These are grapes, they never ate. I really hate throwing away food, y'all. Like, I really hate throwing away food. Like, like, it's really one of my pet peeves. Like, for real. Butter. There. Is it hamburger bun? I mean, hot dogs. Nobody ever ate. That my son needs to eat. Let's see. Oh yeah, this milk is so old, y'all. Yuck, let me throw it out. Yuck, nasty. Oh, milk. Okay, let's put some cheese. I got some provolone cheese because I'm about to make some Philly cheesesteaks for the kids. Soups, the back, butter, cheese. Alright, again. Let's see a little bit of what is this? See a little. I don't like shit to be dirty. I like to keep my shit clean. That's why I have these kids up cleaning. This is so far some of the bags in the trash. Absolutely not. Don't like it. Got some nachos, chips for some nachos. I think that's what we're gonna have later on. Is some nachos and cheese. Let's take another sip of coffee so we can stay going. All right. Let's dump this. Disgusting. All right. We're just gonna put this container over here. Sink. Y'all, hide the juice. No, I'm just kidding. I don't believe in hiding food. I'm just gonna close it for a little while. Oh damn, it's not gonna close. What is it? Is it the icy stuff? I have to, matter of fact, just close. Here. Here. See if it helps now. Oh, damn. Where is it at? That's not what it is. I think it's this box. Take this piece off. I want to get a knife to cut that little piece. Oh, yeah, my back hurt. I'm just going to cut this side so it can close. It's sticky. Or I don't know if it's that chicken. Yeah, I have to use that chicken. I'm going to have to use chicken drumsticks. I'm going to take these out, put them down here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and cook those so the freezer can close. Yeah, whatever. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and, finish putting the rest of these groceries up. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff together for the day. Had to give me some lemon pepper. Can't really go wrong with that. Some taco season. And, a lot of videos that I have been watching out, a lot of people have been using Great Value, the Walmart brand, because let's be real, even though I get food stamps, food is still very high. Like, I love these are so delish. Food is still very high. I got some of this. It beats having to get the using a buttload of sugar, because sugar is just not good for you. It decays your teeth. It sets preterm diabetes and stuff like that. I love this juice for the kids. And it's just not good. You know what I'm saying? It's just nowhere near good. It's just nowhere near good. And then I got these. These are really, really good. The peach mango green teas. Green tea is really good as well if you're trying to cut stomach fat. And like me, I'm trying to cut stomach fat because I've sat up here and I've gained 20 pounds since I've been in this apartment. And, I'm really glad and grateful and appreciative of me being on, government assistance right now, but I'm not fond of it. You know, I did go through a very emotional time with my postpartum depression of my 3-year-old. And I feel like I'm just now bouncing back and getting myself together, and I'm very proud of myself. And now I feel as if I'm ready to, I love ginger ale as well. Now I feel like I'm ready to bounce back and get into the work field, possibly with a work from home job. Because, I mean, with me and my emotional state and things like that, I'm just not really fun. I think I'm gonna take a couple of these juices and put them in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to store some in my room, and then, you know, put like half out now, and then have the other half out today or tomorrow. So, you know, they won't sit and eat up everything. You know what I mean? Let me put those juices in there as well. You know what I mean? So they won't sit up and eat up everything so quickly. Because you know how it is. But, yeah, so these are going to go back. Let me put 2 more in there. Because it's only a 10 pouch. Yeah, so let me put 5 out and then 5 in my room. I can each have another one of those for snack or something. Okay. And then with these juices, what I usually do so they won't drink everything up at one time is I freeze one, and then after they drink this one, I go back in and I get this butter. I freeze one, and then I go back in. I freeze one, and then I go back in, and I, after they drink that one up, because you know I like them to spread stuff out, because if not, they'll drink up everything in one day. You know how little kids do, y'all. And I just don't. You know, food, even though, like I said, I get government assistance and food stamps and stuff like that, food is still very expensive. And we have to do everything that we can to try to conserve on stuff, you know? So, that's that. I just swear I got 2 of those little mango juices, but I guess I didn't. I had to get some bacon. A little bacon. And you guys, I want you to go over and check out some of our podcast episodes. I speak on, you know, motherhood and things like that. Do I want to freeze? Yeah, I want to freeze this bacon. I speak on motherhood and things like that, and some real topics. My podcast is called Julie Ray Ray Real Talk 111 or 1111. And I'm just on there, you know, speaking real fast. Besides, I became overweight, and I'm, you know, trying to get back on me a good diet to where I'm able to lose some weight. And I'll make some, after they finish the juice, I'll make some good old Kool-Aid in my little container. You know, I got this container from the Dollar Tree for like $1.25. Yeah. Oh, and also a trick I want to tell you guys. Potatoes. If your kids are getting really sick, have them eat a lot of oranges, and slice some potatoes, thin slices, and put them in their socks at night. And then it draws out the mucus in your body. Yeah, just need to let somebody know that as well. And then, what else did I need to finish doing? Oh, I mopped the floor last night, so I don't have to worry about that. Connor, he cleaned up the bathroom. Yeah, so I'm done putting up the groceries while they're at school and my baby girl is still asleep. So, and I'm waiting on my husband to come over and get me so we can run a few errands or whatever. And yeah, so I thank you guys for putting up the groceries with me, and I will check you guys later. Okay, Chili Ray Ray.